Hi everyone, so to finish off our angles and triangles series, we're going to have a test on what we've been learning in this series of videos. Question 1. Angles and triangles. Right, so question 1, an angle less than 90 degrees is called, so what's that called? And then question 2, an angle greater than 180 degrees is called, okay, so less than 90 or greater than 180. Number 3, a triangle with 3 equal sides is called what? And number 4, a right angled triangle can be a scaling triangle. Is that true or false? So if you had a right angled triangle, could it be scaling or not? Okay, so I'm going to go through those answers in just a few seconds. Okay, an angle less than 90 degrees, small and cute, so it's known as an acute angle. An angle greater than 180 degrees is called a reflex angle. An angle with 3 equal sides is called a triangle, sorry, not an angle. A triangle with 3 equal sides is called an meaning equal, lateral triangle. And lastly, a right angled triangle can be a scaling triangle. Yes, it can. Could also be an isosceles triangle. So then 4 questions about angles on a straight line. So first of all, let's draw our 4 straight lines. And then let's go downhill from then on. I can try and draw these freehand now. So the first one, we've got 80 degrees here, and we need to know what x equals here. Right, so the next one we have 43 degrees, and we need to know what x equals. The next one we have 141 degrees, and we need to know x. And then the next one we have 102 degrees, and we need to know x. Okay, so have a go at those. We'll go through them. Stop the video if you need to. Okay then, so first one, nice and easy. It's got to add up to 180. So x is 180 minus 80 equals 100 degrees. Okay, so with this one, we need to, let's get it up to 80. So if we add 7, that gets up to 40. Add, thank you, it gets up to 50. So add another 3, gets up to 80, and then add 100, gets up to 180. So 177, 180. So x is 137 there. Right, here x is, well, if we add 9, we get to 150. Add another 30, that will take us to 180. So 39 degrees. Right, 80 take away 2 is 78. So x will be 78 degrees because 102 plus 78 equals 180. So, questions on angles around a point. So question 1, we have 160 degrees here, we have 100 degrees here. So this we'll call it A. What does A equal? So next question, we have 95 here, 95 degrees here, we have 50 degrees here. This time we're going to call it B. So what does B equal? So the next question, we have 104 degrees here. And then we have 147 degrees here. And we're going to call this one C. So what would C equal? Okay, so give you just a few seconds to work that out because you can always stop the video and then we can go through it. Okay, so first question, nice and easy. We already have 260, so we need another 100 to get us up to 360. 102 and 360. Right, this one, again, quite sneaky. If we add a 5, that gets up to 100. We then add a 10, that one gets up to 60. So that is now 160, so it should be 215 degrees. Let's quickly check that. So that would be 310, 360. Okay. Right, the last question. We've got 104, we've got 147. Add those together. That makes 11. 0 plus 4 plus 4 is 5. So we've got 251. So you want 9 to get us up to 260. So that must be 109 degrees. So test questions on the internal angles of a triangle. So what if we had the following triangle? So we want to know what A would equal on this one. So we're told that is 52 degrees, that is B. So you want to know what B equals. Okay, so for this one, we're told that this is 107 degrees. We're told that this is C. We're told this is 39 degrees. Then our last one, given this triangle. I'm going to call that D, not X, because we've done ABC. So that is D. So if you haven't, if you're not close to working these out, pause the video and work them out, restart the video and see if you've got them right. Okay, so the first one, using our little trick, if that's 90, those two add up to 90. So 2 plus 7 is 9, so that must be 70 degrees. So A is 70 degrees. Right, so working out B, again using our trick, that's 90, so those two got to add up to 90. So add an 8, which will make 60, so we need another 3, or 30 rather, to make 38. So B equals 38 degrees. Okay, in this one we can't really use our little trick. Let's quickly do 107 plus 39. 7 plus 9 is 16. 0, 3, 1 makes 4. So we've got to add up to 180. 180, take away 146. Cross that out. So 10 take away 6 is 4. So then that's going to be a 3 there and a 0 there. So C equals 34 degrees. And then the last one, okay, so we know it's an isosceles triangle, which means that must be D as well. So if we do 180, take away 48, 10 take away 8 is 2, 7 take away 4 is 3, and then 1 take away 0 is 1. So we have 132. So to work out D, we're going to do how many 2's in 132. So that's going to be 2's into 13 will be 6, remainder 1, so 66. So D equals 66 degrees. Okay, well done if you got all of those right. Thank you for watching that video, and if you enjoyed that, please check out our website for more great online resources. So the address is www.routes2success11plus.uk, or find us on Twitter @Routes2Success. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos. Thank you.